everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 2nd to the 6th of August 2021 on Monday. Nomonde gives a family member a piece of her mind, and Kabzela can't or can sense the tension between Muhumi and Flora, but can't tell where it's coming from on Tuesday. Nomonde comes to terms with the lies, and Flora finds herself on the verge of new chapter in her life on Wednesday. Floria makes a stand, calling out someone she thinks is taking her for a ride. Mabuto gets a surprise of his life on Thursday. Zweli refuses to budge, butting head with Nomonde. Flora makes a rash decision that could set her back on Friday. Nomonde follows her heart into new territory while Flora begins her new life. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.